My dear Precalculus parents, thank you so much for tuning in this evening. You know who I am, so I don't really need to do a great introduction. I just want to say thank you for hanging in with us over the last couple years, especially with COVID. I made a vow to the students a few years ago that, when COVID started, that I wouldn't give up on them if they wouldn't give up on them. And I'm super excited to see that the students in our Precalculus class, they are on target, and boy, do they know their stuff. So thank you for backing me up on that. The only thing that you need to know is that they're still going to be using their quad-ruled notebooks. They're still going to be using pencils. Made me laugh because I started the last year the link of links, which had all the links of everything that we were doing. And the students in your class came to me and said, can we get the link of links going again? So any links that they need are in this one file, and they manage it, so it's pretty amazing. They are now juniors, so please be aware that their final exams will be before Thanksgiving. At least that's the plan right now. And then after Thanksgiving, they would go into their technology block, which would be all afternoon, that 4th, 5th, and 6th hours, and they would be in that technology block until the end of the semester. So they really can dive in and do some really cool things 3 hours a day dedicated to that technology. So that's pretty much the only big change for them. They're going to be using WebAssign, which is different than Big Ideas, and we're learning on that. They did do some Maple last year, so that's exciting. They're going to continue to do Maple. Actually, they didn't do Maple. I apologize for that. They're going to learn a little Maple this year. Maple is a high-end software, mathematics software package. So we're working on trigonometry right now, and anytime you can have your student, your son or daughter, solve a trig problem, please do, because it just lets them know that there's even more math out there that connects to the real world. So without any further ado, I don't want to hold you too late because you've been with me before. You know what's going on. It's CSMTech. And I just want to thank you as parents for hanging in there and believing in us and continuing to support us. We have an amazing group of parents, and I want to thank you for that. Please contact me if you need to, and I'd be more than happy to meet with you if you think that we have reasons to meet and help your student out. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.